Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's a special day because I am actually picking up a new addition to the garage. So let's roll. So what's up guys, we're finally on the road and we have a 2.5 hour ride. I'm here with my beautiful wife, which hopefully is going to be driving her Jeep back after I pick up our new addition to the garage. This has been a very long and ongoing search to find a one-owner clean car. And I don't want to reveal the car right now, but I want to tell you guys a little bit about the car and why this is such a nerve-wracking, and I'm actually very nervous and excited at the same time to purchase this vehicle, because there's a lot of meaning to it behind this particular car. And I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about myself and what this car means to me, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the car until you finally see it when I reveal it. So I actually owned this chassis vehicle 16 years ago when I was 17 years old. And when you're 17, 18 years old and you're a young buck, you always try to, like, you know, wait for that time when you're gonna turn 21, you could enter a club and, you know, like, just become an adult. And you don't cherish those days of being a teenager. And the time has come. I got rid of the car. I'm a family man right now with a beautiful wife and 2 kids. And now I want to be able to rewind time and be able to drive that car and kind of remember my, I can't say youth, but my young teenage life that I experienced, which was so great to me. And this is why this car is a fraction of the cost of my Porsche GT4, but it has just as much, if not more, meaning to me. And besides the fact that it's one of the greatest cars of that time, it's such a soon-to-be, I'm assuming, classic that's going to be wanted, that's going to be on a lot of people's lists to be able to get, but they are very hard to get at the current time that we live in 2019. So I'm assuming in 10 years there are going to be none of these out on the street. So those are the few reasons that I want this car. Those are the few reasons that, you know, I've been searching for such a long time, and we're driving a very, very long way to get this car. But stay tuned, enjoy the little montage, and hopefully once I purchase the car, I will reveal the car to you guys. So catch you guys in a bit. What's up my dudes, we're finally done and it's been a very hard day today, very crazy. The traffic was bad, the California DMV is incredibly a long process, but I finally made the purchase, and thank you to my boy Amir. Amir, thank you my brother. I got a car that I wanted for a very long time, like I told you guys, and if you guys are ready, I'm ready to show y'all. What's up guys, finally made it home. Thank you for watching another video. I finally bought my project car, a car that means so much to me, and stay tuned, we're gonna get this project going. We're gonna bring the 90s back to its best condition. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.